4 proven Facebook marketing tips and strategies for small businesses. With over 2.20 billion monthly active users, Facebook has become one of the most important marketing tools for business. Finding success with Facebook marketing isn't hard, but it does take a little time, and you must know how to truly engage your customers and drive more leads and sales through them. Following are the tried and true marketing strategies shared by social media marketers for business owners who want to generate higher ROI and earn big fortunes with Facebook marketing. 1. Grab the attention of your followers and engage them with your posts. Your main aim while posting to your page should be catching the attention of your followers and getting them to engage with your posts. If you want to market your products and showcase your brand, then yes, you want people to click through to your website. But to scale up your business, you need to engage your visitors first, and for this start posting interesting content like 1. Photos, 2. Facts, 3. Questions, 4. Fill in the blanks quiz, and 5. Links to interesting and inspiring articles. Remember, with the way Facebook's page algorithm works, your fans only see posts from pages they engage with. 2. Promote your content to add value and increase brand equity. Most successful businesses online have a strong brand equity and add value to people's lives, rather than just trying to sell their services. To get success, you should first focus on building your brand and adding continuous free value to your customers. Make this your primary focus, and automatically the sales will come, followed by huge profits. Interestingly, if you do a great job, your customers will actually sell for you. Make use of Facebook ads to effortlessly show your content on a daily basis. There are lots of ways to do this, like boosting videos, informative posts and blog posts from your website, broadcasting Facebook Lives, etc. 3. Go for Facebook remarketing. With Facebook remarketing, you can invite your visitors back to your website with highly targeted ads that may include some offers to increase sales and loyalty in your niche market. It helps you drive more likes and find similar audiences to your potential customers using lookalike audiences with Facebook website custom audiences. To take advantage of custom audiences, you need to set a Facebook remarketing campaign. You need to upload the list of your custom audience visitors like email, contact information, and then you can use your website and mobile app with custom audiences. 4. Make sales and generate a positive ROI. Generally, the best results are obtained by selling to warm traffic, fans who already know who you are and what services you deliver. Now targeting these people with your services, as they actually know who you are